Okay.
Yeah.
Before that, I got another one. Should I mention that?
Yeah. वो करना.
Yeah. So for that dream, basically, it was like I am nearby the ocean, and I'm speaking to the ocean, and it's explaining me something. And so what happens is the ocean tells me to go to a specific place. So what I do is I dive into the ocean, and while I'm swimming in the ocean, it happens that 3 sharks are like around me. So I ask the ocean to like sort of protect me or something. So what it does is it does something and guides me back to the stones bridge sort of a place. And what happens is it gives me a necklace, and it tells me to keep wearing the necklace whenever I want to like come into the ocean, and it says that it would protect me if I do that. And then after that, it starts like I start telling the ocean that I want to dive like very deep into the ocean, and I want to explain every
वजीफे
single
में
part
फर्क
of
है.
the ocean that is.
वजीफा चेक कर लो यहीं पे.
Okay.
जी
जो
इसके
है अब देख लो, ख्वाब में दिखा रहे हैं कि समंदर की मानिंद है, ओशन है.
जी
ये चीज़ है. अब उसको छोड़ के पता नहीं क्या क्या पढ़ना है, पता नहीं क्यों मेरी समझ में नहीं आता. ये कौन है अब? फ्रॉम सूफी गाइडेंस चैनल यूट्यूब. मेक श्योर यू लव, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब.